Department of Mathematics, Kakatiya University, for Mathematical Sciences, such a prestigious and motivating national conference. Now it's time to invite our beloved Vice Chancellor, Professor R. Sayana Garu, President of this function. I request you to welcome onto the dais Ms. Sunita Bouquet. I feel great honor to invite Professor Arunachalam Garu, an eminent personality and great mathematician and first Vice Chancellor of Gaudiya University. And today's keynote address, request you to come on. Ms. K. Kavita will honor the guest of. I am immensely happy and proud to invite Ms. R. Divya to honor the guest this bouquet. I feel proud to invite Dr. M. Tirumala Devi, Chairperson, Board of Studies Mathematics. I invite Devi to honor the guest with bouquet. Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam. I invite Ms. Lavanya to honor the guest with bouquet. I invite Ms. Nirosha to honor the guest with bouquet. Thank you very much, sir. I invite the Ramesri to honor the guest with bouquet. I invite the Shasta to honor the guest with bouquet. Sarla Garu, KL University, Guntur. Shasta to honor the guest with bouquet. SMS Commander Jayas and Afterwadi Chai. I invite Dr. A. Chandulal Garu, Kendriya Sanskrit Vidyalaya. Vijay Kumar, Kakatiya University, Executive Member of APSMS, Commander Jayas and I will hand over the mic to the President of
Vande Mataram praise song.
Vande Mataram Sujalam Sufalam Malayaj Sheetalam Shashamalam Mataram Vande Mataram वन्दे मातरम्।
Thank you.
He got promoted as Professor of Mathematics in the year 1977, and later he became Principal of SV University College during the period 1993-95. He visited US as a Fulbright Scholar for 1 year and was in the University of Wisconsin, US during 1995, and he was a visiting professor in the University of Florida, USA, and he specialized in fluid dynamics, fluid mechanics, and guided many candidates for MPhil and PhD degrees. He published several research papers in reputed international and national journals, and he won several awards. And mention must be made of the TAMA Award of USA of Professor Mahalan US Century Gold Medal for ISCA presented by then Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh, in the year 2008 at Visakhapatnam. He was the founder, Vice Chancellor of Dravidian University during 1997 to 2001. After the retirement from his services, he is residing in Tirupati, and he is doing service to the cause of mathematics and Telugu literature, and it is his second visit to this prestigious state of Telangana, Warangal particularly, and I am very happy that I am given this opportunity to introduce such a legendary personality.
Silence for a condolence of Dr. K.R.V. Iyengar, T.K.V. Iyengar, Professor J. Sitaraman, Professor S.V. Krishna. Let's observe 1 minute silence. To speak about the society.
Honorable Vice Chancellor of Kakati University, Professor R. Sayana Garu. Today's keynote speaker, founder, member of the Andhra Pradesh Society for Mathematical Sciences, former Vice Chancellor of Dravidian University, Professor P.V. Arunachalam Garu, Dean Faculty of Science, Professor Pramila Devi Garu, President of ABSMS, Head Department of Mathematics, Director of this conference, Professor T. Srinivas Garu, Chairperson Board of Studies, Mathematics, Organizing Secretary of this conference, Dr. M. Tirmala Devi Garu, remaining all the members, Executive Council of APSMS, members and former presidents Professor Maheshwari Madam Garu, Ramakrishna Garu, Professor Vishwanath Reddy Garu, remaining all members of the APSMS society and senior faculty members in the Department of Mathematics and senior retired teachers in the Department of Mathematics, elders of the mathematicians and my dear colleagues and present media, a warm welcome to 26.
Now, seminar report by Dr. N. Tirupati.
Introduce on the dais, Professor R. Sayana Garu, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. University, and keynote speaker, Professor P.V. Arunachalam Garu, former Vice Chancellor, Dravida University, Professor Y. Pramila Devi Garu, Dean Faculty of Sciences, Dr. University, Professor T. Srinivas Garu, Head Department of Mathematics, Conference Director and President APSMS, and all executive members of APSMS, dignitaries of the dais, K. Satyanarayan Garu, Nagaraj Rao Garu, and other members, administrative officers, teaching and non-teaching staff of Department of Mathematics, research scholars, students, participants, and present media. Good morning, all of you. So I am very happy to be the organizing secretary for this 26th Congress of APSMS and National Conference on Recent Advances in Mathematics from 11th to 13th of August 2017. So in this 3-day conference, there are 12 endowment lectures, 10 invited talks, and 108 oral presentations, and also to encourage the young researchers below the age of 35 years, Professor Meenakshi Sundaram Memorial Best Paper Award in Applied Mathematics and Professor U.M. Swamy Best Paper Award in Mathematics will be given. So there are 8 sessions in this conference. So on day 1, that is today, so in session 1, there is presidential talk by Professor T. Srinivas Garu, and next keynote address and lecture in honor of Professor N.C.H. Pattabhiramacharyalu by Professor P.V. Arunachalam Garu. Then Professor Kesava Satyanarayana Memorial Lecture in Geometry by Professor K. Satyanarayan Garu from Osmania University, and Professor B. Maheshwari Endowment Lecture in Graph Theory by Professor G. Shobhalata Garu. Then there is Best Paper Awards, and after that in session 3 there are oral presentations. And on day 2, that is 12th August, session 4, there is an endowment lecture in number theory by Professor V. Shivaram Prasad Garu from Osmania University, an invited talk by Professor B. Maheshwar Garu, Sri Padmavati Mahila University, Tirupati, invited talk by Dr. Ram Prakash Sharma Garu from JECRC University, Jaipur, Professor Bhavana Satyanarayana Endowment Lecture on Algebra by Professor Kunjam Shyam Prasad Garu from MIT Manipal, Sri D. Venkatacharya Memorial Lecture in Applied Mathematics by Professor I.H. Nagaraja Rao Garu from Andhra University, Professor Srinath Endowment Lecture in Applied Mathematics by Professor Shivakumar Garu from Bangalore University, Professor N.V. Subramaniam, Endowment Lecture in Algebra by Professor G.C. Rao Garu from Andhra University. And in session 5, Professor Kunjam Shamprasad and Professor Bhavanari Satyanarayana, Endowment Lecture on Gaman Earrings by Professor Babu Srinivas Garu from MIT Manipal. And an invited talk by Professor C. Nanaji Rao Garu from Andhra University. And in session 6, there are oral presentations. Next, on day 3, that is 13th August, in session 7, Professor P.V. Arunachalam Endowment Lecture in Mechanics or Applied Mathematics by Professor S. Srinath Garu from SV University, Tirupati. And Professor S.N.N. Pandit Endowment Lecture in Applied Statistics by Professor V.V. Haragopal Garu from Osmania University. Then invited talk by Professor Chandan Garu from Acharya Nagarjuna University. And then oral presentations. Then an invited talk by, in session 8, an invited talk by Y.V. Reddy Garu from Acharya Nagarjuna University, Guntur. And then invited talk by Professor Gallapota V.V. Hemasundar Garu from SIWS College, Mumbai. And invited talk by V. Ambedkar, Dr. V. Ambedkar Garu from Delhi University. So this is the schedule of this 3-day conference, and I hope that this conference will give a best platform to the researchers and academicians to share their views and ideas. Lastly, on this occasion, I thank PSCHE and UGC Unit Kakti University for their financial support. I also thank all teaching and non-teaching staff of the Department of Mathematics, research scholars and students for their cooperation, and I wish all the best for all the participants. Thank you.